Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 50, that's right, 50 parts in, that's basically halfway there. So, being halfway there, what's this principle about? What's it going to entail? So this one, he says that the thing that hurts any human being hurts all human beings. When we realize that we are all kind of this one greater energy, basically in his words, that we can realize that there is love that we can send to everyone. So what I think he's really trying to do with this principle is really connect everybody together, to really say that, you know what, instead of just being one, individual, one little subgroup of some culture, of some race, of some whatever, instead he's saying, no, together we are all just one group of humanity. Now, I think that his principles are a little bit different because he has certain beliefs about, what it is to be that, what it is to have that kind of connection, what it means to just be connected in such a way. But here, once again, you can interpret it one way or the other way. Say it being metaphorical, that we're all connected. Say it just be that biologically we're all connected by all being human, all that kind of stuff. So I think it's very open to interpretation on this one. But I think what he's really pushing still is the love quality once again, that humanity has the potential to be the most loving species in the world, to have the most love there can be in the world, and that he's really pushing for that kind of thing, that we should love everybody, we should be happy with everybody, we should accept everybody instead of just judging and isolating and pushing away people that we just find a little bit different. I think that's basically his idea here. Love everybody. That's about it for part 50. I will see you guys again with part 51, so see you then.